If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Rocket League, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Pause Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for updates. Updated drivers can improve connectivity and reduce errors. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Rocket League. Add the game to the exceptions list to allow it to connect to the internet without restrictions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and get back to enjoying Rocket League. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.